You might have to take off the fan to get these brackets to go in properly because they require you to twist, pull up, push it down, and then twist it back into the position. And I noticed when you have the fan on that it's a little bit hard to reach in and get those turned. So now that I've got them turned and locked in, put my fan back on, making sure that the air intake is flowing inward. You're going to snap it onto the fins of the cooler. And then you're going to line up these two plastic bits with the little plastic bit that's on the end over here, and that's how you know. And that's the CPU fan.